Hello, what is your name?
Evangeline Abad,
How old are you?
40 years old,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic,
Are you married?
single mom,
Do you have kids?
2,
How old are they?
18 and 8,
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
6 months,
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
no,
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
6 months,
Where's your employer living in?
Hang Hao,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
700 square feet,
How many family member there?
3,
How many children?
1,
How old?
4,
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning 6:30 and then straight cleaning up the bathroom. Then after cleaning up the bathroom, the kids were gonna wake up. Then I prepare his meal. Then at 9 o'clock, start cleaning up the whole area, the whole house. And then 11 o'clock, I start preparing the lunch. And then 1:30, I finish cleaning up the kitchen. And then 2 o'clock, I bring the kids to the playroom or playground.
Okay.
And then 6 p.m., I start preparing the meal for dinner.
Okay, so what time they eat?
7
7 o'clock.
in the evening, yeah.
Okay, so what time, after finish everything in the kitchen, what time you go to bed?
9 or 9:30.
Okay, thank you so much.